Darshan, it's so difficult to take it out. Do you have a better way to arrange this?
Yes, Mom, I have an idea. Materials required: marker, knife, empty wet wipes cover, empty plastic box, spray paint. Now let's take the lid from the empty wet wipes cover. Now the lid is removed. We have to apply the glue and fix it like this. Let's mark the cover to cut the opening. Now let's cut over the trace lines. We made the hole. Now let's fix the removed lid with glue. After fixing, it will be like this. Now let's spray paint it. Here the box is ready. Now let's stick the smiley sticker. Now let's arrange the tissues. Now let's take out the tissue. Mom, it's ready!
Wow, it's so nice, Darshan. It's very comfortable to take.
Thanks for watching.